Okay, let's talk about surface area of right prisms. So this works for any right prism. Our surface area is going to be 2b plus ph, so that means 2 times the area of the base plus the perimeter of the base times the height. Okay, so we don't need that extra multiplication there. So 2 times the area of the base plus the perimeter of the base times the height. So remember, surface area is finding the area of every face and adding them all together. So in this shape here, I could find the area of every rectangle that connects my L, so my L blocks. And then I have 2 L blocks. So that's where it's coming from, the area of the base, 2 L blocks. And then the perimeter is the distance around multiplied by the distance between there. Okay, but your formula surface area equals 2 times the area of the base plus the perimeter times the height. Okay, I'm going to go on to my examples. In our first example, we're going to find the surface area. First thing I have to do is find the area of the base. Okay, so you always have to find the area of the base first in order to use this formula. So when I do that, I'm going to break this up here, and that means that this is going to be 6 and this is going to be 24. So I'm going to do 6 times 24, which is 144. Now this remaining part, since that's 6 and that whole thing is 30, that's 24. 6 plus 24 equals 30. Since this is 20 here, I'm going to have 20 over there. So that means that this one is 20 and 24. So I'm going to do 20 times 24, and that equals 480. It's just a coincidence that those are both 24. Okay, so find the area, add those together. 144 plus 480 is going to give me 624 feet squared. So that's my first part, find the area of the base. Next part is find the perimeter of the base. So we got to add up all of the sides of the base. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. So I'm going to add them up. So I'm going to start with this corner here, and I'm going to go down. So that's 24. Plus, I'm going to go across. That's 30. Plus, I'm going to go up. That's 20. Plus, I'm going to go across. I don't know what that is. I do, because I know that across was 24. We already figured that out. Because 6 plus 24 equals 30. So that's 24. Plus, I have to go up here. I don't know what that is. Well, I can easily figure it out. I can do 20 from over here, and then 24 from there. So 24 minus 20 means that there's 4 feet left. So that's plus 4. Plus, and I come across, and I know that that's 6. I can add those up, and I get 108 feet. Alright, the height of the shape is easy. Remember, the height of the shape is the distance that connects our bases. So that's our height. So now I can use my formula. My formula, remember, was 2b plus ph. That is my surface area of my shape. So I'm going to do 2 times the area of the base, 624, plus the perimeter, 108, times the height, which was at 25. Type that into my calculator, and I'm going to get 300, I'm sorry, and I'm going to get, let's type that in my calculator, 2 times 624 plus 108 times 25, and you're going to get 3,948 feet squared. And remember, that is feet squared because of the surface area. Okay? So again, find the area of the base, find the perimeter of the base, locate your height. Those are the 3 variables that you need. And then once you have those, you can plug them into your formula. Alright, so I'm going to go on to another example. Okay, in example B, first I'm going to talk about the area of the base. Okay, got to start with the area of the base first. So I find that is my L shape right here. Okay, so I'm going to dot a line down here, and that means that's going to be 2 and 16. So I'm going to do 2 times 16, and that equals 32. Then I'm going to do 7 there, because this is 7, so I'm moving it across. And this is 8, because 8 plus 2 equals 10. So 7 times 8 equals 56. Add those together, 32 plus 56, and I get 88 inches squared. That's my area of my base. Now let's find the perimeter of the base. Again, for perimeter of the base, you need to add up all sides. There are 6 sides in this again. So I'm just going to start here and work across. There's 16 plus 10 plus 7 plus 8 plus, I haven't figured that one out yet, so I got to figure that one out. Oops. To figure that one out there, I got to know that this is 7. I know that that's 16, so 16 minus 7 is 9. So note that's 9. Plus, and then my last one is 2. Add up all of those, and I get 52. So my perimeter equals 52 inches. Alright, remember my height is the distance that connects my L's. That is 4 in this example. So now I can use my formula. Surface area equals 2b plus pH. So I do 2 times the area of the base, which was 88, plus the perimeter, which was 52, times the height of the shape, which is 4. Type that in my calculator, and I get 384 inches squared. Remember, it is squared inches because it is surface area. And that is how you do that. So it's a lot of steps. Okay, you have to find the area of the base, uppercase B. You got to find the perimeter of the base, that is uppercase P. You got to locate your height. So once you find those, plug them in, and you can find your answer. Okay, watch those again if you need to. Otherwise, I will see you guys later.